I've been asked by Cyberism and Tacit and SAP to come along and moderate, look after the audience today at their customer first, digital first afternoon event. It's a really interesting subject. I think most of the brands and retailers that we work with are really struggling to operate not just by channel anymore, but to reorientate and focus their commercial activities, their technology investments on things that will drive customer engagement, customer repeat purchase, and just do a better job of loving their customers. And I think that's a real challenge nowadays.
What was interesting today was the FitFlop story, their meteoric success, how they've used technology to drive that, customer experience to drive that, but they've not done that on their own. What's interesting is how the partnership, and they made a big talk about it's a partnership, not a supplier thing, with Tacit, with my team at Cyberism, to wrestle all those problems to the ground so that they can go on that meteoric growth path. And they've got a long way to go into the future, and those partnerships are going to become even more important.
Customer first to FitFlop, and to me as an employee of FitFlop, would mean that we want a one-to-one conversation with the consumer. We want them to be able to talk to us directly on any platform, any time of the day, drop off the conversation and pick it back up right away, and we understand exactly what their journey is, what their needs are, and how we can help them. Also, I think as a business, we want to know more about the customer than they know about themselves, and we would want to use data for that.
When we first started working with FitFlop, we looked at what technologies were best for them by really understanding their needs. Then we introduced some technology partners. They selected SAP Hybris or SAP Commerce. We added our own IP to the SAP Commerce solution to build a flexible, scalable system which really fitted FitFlop's needs. But what was really important in that partnership was with our extended partnership, for example with Cyberism, was how do you test and make the solution performance ready for customers.
It's about making sure you've got a really good partner that you trust. We went on to the market, selected SAP through a number of different software providers in the marketplace, chose Tacit on the basis of being a really good fit culturally with our business, and also the enablement to actually demonstrate they could deliver the solution very quickly for us in under 6 months. And I think having that in place has made a big difference to us being able to achieve what we did in 6 months, but more importantly, help us grow the business dramatically over the last 3 years.
The value for companies such as SAP in these kind of events is potential customers get to hear an actual real customer talking about the journey they've been on. It goes beyond the product, right? We're a product company, we sell products that offer you a solution. But there's a lot more to the actual journey for the customer than that. How are they going to change their business to suit the problems that they've got? These kind of conversations come from hearing other customers talk about how they got over those pain points, from specialist partners such as Tacit, who assist and guide the customers through the wealth of problems that go beyond just the solution itself.
You can see by the level of conversation here that we've all got stories to share, problems to talk about. We're all looking for solutions in our different sectors, in our different ways. We're all sharing the same challenges of customer experience. So networking is a huge part of what we do here, learning from each other, sharing tips and tricks, learning about partners to work with, how to work better with partners. So you learn more from your peers than anything else really.